Let's talk Megamaster's 3-burner option, the compact, foldable shelf gas grill. The brand positions as a great balcony kickback machine. The Megamaster family product pages and multiple retail listings show a roughly 30,000 BTU total output, tilde 430 SQN cooking area, stainless control panel, 3 independently controlled burners with push and turn ignition, and foldable side shelves so it tucks away when space is tight. The brand plays the small footprint, big results angle. It's the grill you buy if you want a proper sear and room for a group without committing to a huge cabinet grill. Shooting straight. In daily use, this kind of Megamaster delivers what most backyard cooks want. Even heat across a sensible cooking surface, quick warm-up, and simple controls. Customer chatter across listings and forums praises the usability and value. People like that it doesn't need a redesign or endless mods to get good steaks and kebabs on the table. Caveats on the listing and community threads. Assembly can take longer than the QR code unboxing videos make it look, and if you are a heavy-duty, year-round griller, you might eventually want heavier-duty burners or a sturdier hood hinge. Still, for balcony BBQ, family dinners, and the occasional tailgate, solid performer. Bottom line pros cons. Pluses are strong value, compact design, and respectable BTU cooking area for the size. Minuses are the expected budget class fit and finish and the possibility of some assembly time spent tightening after unboxing. I couldn't grab a single fixed price snapshot from the view I accessed. They frequently show dynamic offers, so tap the link for the latest pricing. We share buy links in the description box, naturally.